Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Katie. I wanted to sit down and do a review on the Boie, I'm not sure how to say it. Yes, on the Boie USA, oh my god, body scrubber. So if you've been following me for a while now, you know I am trying my best to become a better person, and one of those things is I'm trying to become more eco-conscious, friendly. So this is what I'm talking about when I say body scrubber. I don't remember what material it's made out of, but it is recyclable. Let me just say I've been enjoying it so far. How I found this, of course, is through my phone, listening to everything I'm saying, and an ad pulled up for this body scrubber. I went back and forth on purchasing this specific kind because I know that there are other body scrubbers that are less expensive. Now, I got one for me and then one for my partner, and let me just say it came out to, wait, hold on. Both of these little things, tiny, costed me $23.50. Yeah, when I'm looking at it, it does like $23 for both of these. They didn't mail it in sustainable packaging. There are a lot of other companies now who are trying to do their best with their packaging, minimizing it, using recycled products, stuff like that. And it literally came in the worst plastic mailers. I threw it away, but I'm gonna find a picture and put it somewhere over here so you can see it. I know you know what type of mailer this is, or envelope, whatever you want to call it, and they're so hard to tear through, get through, and that's just not good for the environment. For a company that you know, states like on their website and everywhere else is that the reason why they're doing this is to, you know, make the world a better place. I feel like I wouldn't have cared as much about the price of these two body scrubbers if at least it came packaged in sustainable packaging or recycled packaging, because it did come smushed. That doesn't bother me, things happen, but I don't know. I feel like that's a something you pay for as a customer as well when you're getting things shipped to you, is the kind of packaging it comes in. I don't know. And like I said, they're supposed to be eco-friendly, eco-conscious, and that didn't seem like, that didn't make sense, you know, like it crossed each other out. So even though I bought these two things, like I had that thing, and okay. Loofahs just are terrible. They can smell. You have to constantly replace them, and they're always wet. They're never dry. And then you have people in the stores touching all over them. I don't know. That's just something in my mind. I've always wanted to try and use something different, and my partner as well. And I was quite surprised by the fact, because he's very picky. He was really excited to use it. Like I said, he's very picky and questions things. Like I got some reusable cotton pads and paper towels, Q-tips, an assortment of things that are reusable, and he's not a fan of them. He tried it out, and they even, I think they have an instructional video like on their website, but I mean, it's just so funny because my hands are so small, but you put it like this on your hand and you clean your body, and this feels so good. I feel like it exfoliates a lot better than like a regular loofah, because I have KP on my elbows and they always look very bad. But I mean, I've only been using it for maybe a week, and I've seen like an improvement in my arms, and I didn't even buy them for that purpose. It feels super good. I really like it. I feel like I have more control over it. When I saw this too in person, I was kind of worried about how soap would take to it, but it works really well. I dare I say it works better than loofahs. It's very good at lathering. I believe that's what it is, yeah, when you're creating bubbles. So the soap stays on, which is really cool. I feel like it gives me a better clean because I feel it in like the palm of my hand. I just feel like I get clean better. Because with the loofah, it's kind of big. Like I said, my hands are small. Yeah, if you have any questions about things I didn't address in this video, please feel free to leave a comment down below. I really do love talking with you guys too, so even if you just want to say hi, I'll say hey. And it's not too soft, not too hard. If you enjoyed this review, please make sure you subscribe. I put out new videos every week, and we would love to have you a part of our little family. That is all for this video, and I'll see you next week. Bye.